guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. Today I wanted to do a tutorial using the new Too Faced Natural Eye Palette. It says on the back it's the neutral eyeshadow palette, so I don't know, it kind of confuses me. But anyways, this is the palette with the shimmer shades in it as well. This is just like my new go-to eye look that I have been wearing constantly lately. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so first I'm going to take my Morphe E22 and I'm going to dip into the shade Heaven just to set all over my lid and up to my brow bone. Alright, next I'm going to take my Morphe M433 and I'm going to dip into this shade down here. It is called Strip Poker. And I'm going to put this in my crease. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the exact same brush and dip into the shade Cashmere Bunny right here next to the shade Heaven. And I'm putting this in my crease as well. Alright, next I'm going to wet my Morphe G14 before I go in with the shimmer shades that I want to use. But the first shade I'm going to go into is Silk Teddy. It's this one right here. And I'm going to put this on the inner half of my eye. And then next I'm going to dip into the shade Push Up right here. And this is going to go in the other half on my lid. And I'm just gonna blend them in together in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line before I do my liner and everything else. So next I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E18 and I'm gonna dip first into the shade Strip Poker again and sweep this under my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go with the exact same brush and dip into Cashmere Bunny. And same thing. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and do my liner. I'm using my NYX Matte Liquid Liner for this. Alright, and then I'm also going to use my Marc Jacobs Gel Highlighter in the shade Black for my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go with my mascara. It's the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara and just coat my lashes. I just realized I never deepened my outer corner like I like to. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. I'm just using my tapered Morphe brush and I'm going into the shade Sexpresso up here. And just very lightly deepening that up. This is what happens when you do your makeup at 7 a.m. before work and try to film it, but you're really tired because you closed last night. I know I was missing a step from what I've been doing lately. It's definitely not needed, but I just like to add it. 'Cause I like having my makeup looks a little more smoked out, if you will. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to go with my false lashes. I'm using my ones that I love to use every single day. These are the Mega Volume from Ardell, and then I'm going in with my Duo Lash Glue. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I just like to work the band before I put them on. Usually after you've worn these a couple times, they'll go on really easy, but these ones have given me issues every single time I wear them, and I don't know why. Alright, while my lashes dry, I'm going to pop on some lower lash mascara. I'm using the Beauty by Pop Sugar Thick and Thin Mascara, and I'm going to use the thin side because this is perfect for my lower lashes. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and go away for a second and do my blush and finish the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll be back to do my outro and give you guys my full thoughts on this palette. Alright, so now that everything's pretty much dry, I'll go ahead and give you guys my thoughts on this Too Faced, it says Natural Eyes, but on the back it says Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. This is the one with the shimmer shades. I know they also have one with matte shades, of course. For me personally, I just knew I wouldn't need or really use as much a all matte palette because I do like a shimmer on my lid like almost every single day. So I was really just looking for something that was a good everyday palette, and I think this is perfect for it. I've been using this non-stop since I picked it up. I really love the shades that I've been using on my lid. The Silk Teddy, it's like really beautiful. It's like a really light champagne-y pink, and then Push Up. Honey Pot is also really nice. The only shade I have not used in here is Chocolate Martini, but if it's anything like the other shades, I think I will still love it. But yeah, this is just like a great everyday palette. This redeemed Too Faced in my eyes, to be honest. I don't know if you guys have seen my decluttering video I did a while back, but I got rid of a lot and most of my Too Faced eyeshadow palettes. I just thought they were kind of boring and they weren't as pigmented as I would have liked them to be. But this one is like amazing. Even the shade Heaven is super pigmented, as you guys could see in the tutorial. And I really enjoy this palette. I do notice though that the scent of like the chocolate has changed. It's kind of more like artificial smelling, I think. But I don't really care, to be honest. I just care about how these perform. The packaging is super nice, and I really enjoy it. And I also really love the Milk Chocolate Bronzer. I did use that today, so if you're on the market for a bronzer, I would look into that one. The packaging is kind of tricky, at least for me. I know like Chris can open it just fine. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!